my love. I actually don't know where to start kasi ang dami kong gusto sabihin sa'yo. But I just want this vow to be very simple. So I'm just so happy that you're the man I get to spend my forever with. I used to not to believe in marriage. Pero hello, ikaw na to. The high school crushes day.
But your body still sparkles. I'm on a knee holding your left hand. I know where that missing diamond should Is there a magical garden where more of you?
Mahal, naalala mo pa ba nung high school tayo? Crush na crush mo ako noon. Pero syempre crush din kita noon. Ang ako lang nakakala. Posible kitang tinititigan sa malayo at alam naman na nakakita sa akin.
There will never be another you. Oh, never be another you. Oh, never be. Now I can spend
The way you smile, your love, and kung paano mo ako titigan dahil crush mo nga ako, di ba?
Siguro ito.
Pero lahat yun, mas na-appreciate ko nung nagkita tayo. 2018. Yun yung taon na sobrang saya at sobrang lungkot. Lahat naman yun may purpose. Kaya nangyari sa atin yun. And look, tingnan mo naman. Nasaan tayo ngayon?
Is there a magical garden where more of you?
Thank you, baby, for everything, for being the most supportive partner, for loving the kids, especially Ching as your own. I'm confident enough to know that I always have you beside me, cheering me up and making me laugh on my lowest moments.
Never be another you. Never be.
Simula nagsama tayo, araw-araw akong thankful na ikaw yung nakasama ko sa buhay. At wala ka namang choice. Hinulma ka ni Lord para mahalin ako.
Mahal, I promise to always love you, choose you, and cherish you. To give my best in standing by your side. I'll be your Rose if you want to be my Jack, or your Bonnie if you'd rather be my Clyde. No matter what the story is, I'll be your partner through it.
Feel like I just won a lotto. I found a one in a million you. God made you from the earth and he broke the mold. There will never be another you.
Sobrang proud ako sa lahat ng narating mo sa buhay. Sa lahat ng pinaghirapan mo. At syempre, proud din ako kasi ako pinili mo pakasama mo. Kahit minsan gusto mo na ako i-unstuck sa buhay mo.
And i-advance ko na din pala yung mga sorry ko sa madami pang topak na haharapin mo. Well, wala ka naman choice. I just hope you always choose each other no matter how many fights and struggles you go through. Piliin natin palaging magmahalan because it's a promise that we made together.
There will never be another you.
We went through so much in the years that we weren't together. And I truly believe that this day is the sweetest reward after all the struggles we survived. Ang amazing lang ni Lord, no? Kasi ginawa niya muna tayong matibay at ready in our own separate battlefields bago niya tayo dinala dito sa season 3, the finale.
Enough to carry the weight as the years go and the winds blow. I know I'll keep falling in love with you.
Ito na, totoo na to, mahal.
Alam mo na yung prayer ko lagi kay Lord. Na kung hindi ka para sa akin, sa kanya ka na lang. Pwede ka na niya kunin. Charot lang.
Dahil dinasal natin to kay Lord na kung hindi tayo para sa isa't isa, kunin na lang niya tayo. Promise ko, hindi ako magsasawa sa'yo sa tawanan, sa asaran, sa kulitan. Mahal, ikaw ang tahanan ko. At kung tumanda na tayo, at mabuhay ako muli sa pangalawang pagkakataon,
Oh my God.
ikaw pa rin ang gusto kong makasama sa pag-ibig na walang kasawaan, kahit sa buhay na walang hanggan. I love you so
Amen.
much.
For always, till the end of time, I'll keep falling in love with you. Over and over is true.
My love, mahal ko, my baby. I want you to know that I love you so much. You're still my crush. Today, tomorrow, and for the rest of my life. And ako nga pala, when you wake up tomorrow morning, there's no more good morning, husband. Kasi good morning, husband. I love you.
I'm falling in